AI has existed in product management before the generative AI boom, with a role specifically dedicated to this technology. An AI product manager is someone who uses artificial intelligence, deep learning, or machine learning to build and improve products. Today, there are more than 10,000 artificial intelligence product manager job listings on Indeed.com. But increasingly, AI is also a skill that all product managers need to hone. The goal of the modern product manager is to drive business outcomes, and AI ultimately helps you achieve those outcomes faster and more effectively. These tools can help you identify signals from noise in your data, provide insight into your product that was difficult or impossible to find on your own, and automate workflows to save you time. In the end, AI frees up product managers to deliver more value to customers. AI does not mean the end of the product manager role, but it is going to change. And hopefully by now you're starting to feel excited about leveraging AI in your day-to-day work, even if it's just in small ways for now. Let's walk through some specific ways product managers can leverage AI in their roles, now and in the future. We'll start with more broad use case, which is product analytics. Companies are increasingly looking to AI as a further means of boosting productivity and doing more with less. Paired with product analytics, AI has the ability to act as a force multiplier and sift through massive amounts of data to enable better decision-making. Similar to how no-code tools empowered non-technical teams to access product data on their own and freed up engineering resources, AI can help democratize data analysis throughout the product team and beyond. Although this is arguably one of the largest AI opportunities for product managers, a recent study commissioned by Pendo and Mind the Product found that while 66% of product leaders trust AI to summarize and analyze results from product data, only 15% are actually leveraging it today. My best advice is to just get started with AI and product analytics, even if you're starting small. Don't feel like you need to replace all data analysis with AI-powered automation. Choose one area to focus on or question you want to answer. This will of course depend on the tools and resources that you have available to you. For example, you might leverage AI for faster page and feature tracking in your product analytics platform, or to analyze user workflows and quickly identify areas of friction or draw out key insights. Another AI use case for product managers has to do with qualitative data, namely analyzing customer feedback and NPS responses. As I mentioned in the previous lesson, natural language processing algorithms can analyze user feedback and NPS open text responses related to specific features or product areas and extract common pain points and themes. From there, the product manager has a clear understanding of which problems are the most common or pressing and should be prioritized. In addition to analyzing usage and sentiment for existing products and features, AI can also help product managers ideate and build new functionality more efficiently. For example, AI-based algorithms can help you optimize the product roadmap by analyzing historical data and predicting the impact of specific features on things like retention, user satisfaction, and revenue. AI can also help you prioritize which features to build based on their potential impact on product success. AI also has a role to play in the product planning stage. With its ability to analyze large amounts of data from multiple sources, there is a world where AI can generate user stories and personas based on things like product usage, market research, user surveys, and more. AI can also assist with backlog management, helping product teams identify the most valuable backlog items, break them down into smaller tasks, and estimate the effort that they will require. Finally, product managers can utilize generative AI to improve the end product experience. For example, by assisting with in-app copy throughout the user interface and in things like in-app communications. You can write a prompt that includes the tone, audience, and details of what you want to say, and an AI tool will produce copy that you can easily leverage inside the product. Your product experience platform might also use AI to automatically create single or multi-step guides and reduce the time it takes to get key messages in front of users. These are just some examples of AI use cases in product management. And there aren't necessarily dedicated tools to do all of these things. It is helpful, however, to consider all of the ways AI could help product managers operate more effectively in their roles.